Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the next episode of Jan Ki Baat, and as you know, we are tracking the Delhi Literature Festival, and we're fortunate to have with us Meenakshi, who's an organizer of Delhi Literature Festival. And Meenakshi, first of all, my first question to you is, what's the USP of it?
See, the USP of the event is that it's Aapka Apna Khud Delhi Literature Fest, which is very different from other festivals. Here we are including not only the opinions of the authors, but we are including the opinions of the general public. We are taking feedback from them that what kind of sessions they want to have. It's just not, panel, a set of people who are deciding. So it's a more vast in terms of decisions of sessions, which authors to invite. And we definitely have very impressive sessions on different areas of interest in literature, like mythology, like Hindi, English. So we are taking care of even the languages, which most of the festivals miss out. So how importance of Hindi has become in literature. So this is the USP of the festival this year. I'm sure next year we'll have more and more USPs.
Definitely.
Great. So I want to know, how did you rope in so many diverse panelists, and what were the challenges in terms of getting them on board?
See, how we did it, I will just say it was just the passion of people behind the screen. That was the driven factor. So we really racked our brains on whom should we invite. And the challenges were definitely, everybody coming from different cities. So transportation, as you know, Delhi has become so crowded. So, getting them in one place, coordinating with the flights, timing. So yeah, the event management part was a big challenge, but we put up a good show, and I'm very happy that everybody is very satisfied and happy, looking forward to do more events with us.
So who are some of the biggies who are expected and who've come for the past 3 days?
See, I would not rate anybody one person who's
Tell your favorite, as personal favorite.
Kumar Anand was very nice. He spoke about his poetry. So on a poetry segment, he was one of the very good crowd pullers. The other one was organized by Delhi Book Lovers Club, largest club in Delhi. The session was Trends in Publishing. So that pulled lots and lots of youth. Because now literature has become totally a different era where we are having lots and lots of writers, and especially Indian writers. That's a change in 10 years which we are seeing in literature. So that was a very big pull factor. That was a starting session. So that was day one.
Pick one best in day two and today. Pick one favorite.
See, right now we are still on with the session. So,
Who are you expecting?
Well, I'm expecting Williams to be the one of the best.
Okay, great.
In day 3. The last.
And my last question to you is, tell me one learning that you've got from organizing this event, or something which you would like, to share and others can learn from your
My
experience.
learning is that the audience of Delhi has really stepped up. In terms of literature, Delhi has become a very well versatile city with different aspects of literature, which was missing. Which was just with 10% of the population earlier. Now I see there's a vast public who are well informed and they are very well learning. So this is a great learning, and so for us, the another thing which is there, the challenge next year to have more versatile.
Thank you so much for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. That was Jan Ki Baat. Follow us on Facebook, Jan Ki Baat.